Alright guys, just a quick update. I haven't got any of my steel for the roof yet, so I've just decided on fixing up the cowl here. It's kind of out of alignment here, but it's not even bolted in yet. I've had it on and off here doing some patches. What I did is I cut out the rust here, took the surrounding out to bare steel, and then I took just a fine little patch, pounded it on a sandbag to get the nice shape, and then I cut it in, welded it flush, and then this is the first lick of the kitty hair that goes over it just to cover everything. Did that same with the bottom, but I haven't put any filler on it yet. You can kind of see where I welded in the patch, and we'll put some kitty hair over that, and then we'll get sand in it. But yeah, 2 down, 8 million more to go. Been playing around with some like patina look too. Kind of got like the red oxide primer and then some brown over top of it. I'm just giving it a sand just to kind of give it this rough look. Maybe how I do the whole car. I'm not too sure yet, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys. Alright guys, I figured that I was gonna go with a gas tank underneath the frame, so I'm just gonna make this cowl tank smooth. And then I'm probably going to cut the bottom out of it so you have access from up underneath the dash. But this is kind of step one. And then you get yourself some steel over there. And I got these sweet shear things. So I'll mark out my patch and put it in flush and then do my welds. Grind it all off and we'll be back. And there you have it. Bye-bye filler neck. Now once I give that a sand, you can put some smooth stuff over it. And did a couple more licks on there just to get rid of the pits before I do the smooth. Next thing we'll be tackling is this one down there. Alright, there's your kitty hair sanded down. Ready for smooth filler. These ones sanded a bit more. Ready for some smooth filler. And then I got to do this one, and then I'll start probably taking down all the paint off of this. And yeah.